Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Max. Today I'm going to be showing you this brand new SQ7 and what we've done to it. This vehicle has had a Pandora Elite car alarm system fitted to it. I'm going to show you the number one feature why I'd have it. Open up my application on my telephone. I'm just going to fire up the engine like so. That's going to initiate the remote start process. This vehicle is still locked, secured and protected even while it started. Vehicle's going to start getting all warmed up now. We've got a 20-minute timer set on this one, so after 20 minutes, vehicle will just turn itself off if you've forgotten to go out to it. A nice benefit of the remote start is that you can get the car all defrosted before going out in the morning, save time waiting around in your car, waiting for ice to melt, just get it started up inside so that you can just go out and go off. Also a nice thing is that it's going to get all the engine oils up to temperature, so if you do have to go out in a hurry, you know you're not going to be ragging a cold engine. This vehicle is all still locked, secured and protected, as I say, until you get back to the car and disarm the system. Vehicle's unlocked now, I can hop in and we're ready to go. Why would you want a Pandora car alarm on your vehicle? It's not just for a remote start, it's also to protect it. This vehicle, like many other brand new vehicles out there, are at risk of being stolen. Many vehicles are being stolen every day in the United Kingdom, and if yours hasn't got any additional security on it, it could be next. So there's a few things which allow this vehicle to stay put without its owner. So the combination of these three things is: 1, Pandora Bluetooth tag. That comes on all of their systems from the Storm up to the Elite. The Elite comes with its own pager remote, which also allows you to control the vehicle, start, stop it, and notifications. And number 3, an additional extra is the Pandora Fitbit band. Apart from keeping track of how many steps you're doing it, it does also act as a Bluetooth tag. So like all three of these items, say if you've just got one of them on you, if you was to be pulled out of the vehicle and someone was to take off in it, if you've got your Pandora Fitbit band on you, or a combination of these few things, your vehicle will shut itself down the road, and that's called anti-hijack. If in the case that maybe you left the tag or the keys inside the vehicle, there's still an extra way around it. You can use up your phone, you can dial up the system and remotely immobilize it that way, which will then cut out the vehicle, which will leave the thief going nowhere. So, like the majority of Pandora's car alarm systems, they have additional sensors on the vehicle to help protect them. These sensors include tilt sensor. Someone tries to jack up the vehicle, it will set it off. Motion, anyone pushing the vehicle, that will set it off. Also dual shock sensors. This has got a warn away and an alarm level. So if anything crashed into the car, for example, that will set the car alarm off. Something like this. That's just a warn away level. Obviously me just kicking it on the tyre, it's not a great deal of impact. A vehicle actually crashing into it will set the full alarm off. This pager remote pings off, and also your phone will ping off to say something is up. The Elite alarm also connects up to your telephone. This useful application allows you to track the vehicle. You can simply go into here, gives a nice precise location of where the vehicle is. Say if we were chasing down this vehicle because it was on the run, it would also be drawing a live blue line to where it's going, so you know which route it has taken to its destination. So apart from the tracking on the application, you've got control. Control will allow you to remote start the vehicle, lock or unlock it, so if wired up in the correct method, you can have full control over this vehicle. So should you need to unlock it from the other side of the world, as long as you've got 4G, you can do so. Also on this application, it gives you alarm history, so you can check what sensors set off the car alarm, when and why. And that just allows you to pair up with things like a dash camera. You can pair that up and say, right, it was that vehicle that hit this car and set off that car alarm. There's many more details to find out about this car alarm. To find out more, you're gonna have to ring us. Ring up John Kleis Car Audio. One of our experienced representatives are going to be able to talk you through the car alarms and find out what's the best security solution for your vehicle. We cater for old, new, fast, slow, all sorts of vehicles, whether they have 4 wheels, 3 wheels, maybe you've got a bike and it's got 2 wheels. So get in contact with us and we can create something for you. And I almost forgot, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. At John Kleis, there's many of upgrades that we do, whether it be car audio, security. We cater for all different types of vehicles. If you enjoyed this video, drop it a like, thumbs up, and we'll see you again soon. Take care and goodbye.